Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, this is part 2 of doing testing my Nerf guns. Last video, part 1, we did a accuracy test, but now we're going to be doing like a distance test. And as you know from last video, we ordered them. And first, we did this one. Where we're going to be starting from, and yeah, don't know how this works, so I don't have to explain. Here we go, guys. How far it went? Hold on, I'm gonna get chalk. So this is where our first and worst one goes. Next we're going to try this one, which was my favorite gun, but for some reason it didn't work that well. Okay, here we go. No way did that just go even worse. Oh my god! That went even worse than the other one. Well, we're not even gonna record this one because it's not going as far. It's not the leader. Next, we have what was called our trusty little pew-pew thingy. Okay, look at how far this goes, guys. Didn't go that far. Oh, it went farther. Oh my god, I swear it went so far inside. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that distance. It's insane. Alright, I'm gonna go mark our new leader. Okay, so right here, that's where this one shot to. Okay. Next is our little pistol gun, which did pretty good on accuracy, but I don't think it can shoot too far. See if it can shoot further than my little trusty pew-pew. Ooh, it did. It shoot way further. Okay, I'm gonna get my chalk and go mark the new leader. Oh, we're not gonna be able to mark it once it goes way from red. I didn't agree with it.
I mean, you just leave the bullet out there.
No, because then I feel like I'll lose it.
Not if you just leave the furthest bullet. Leave one bullet out there at a time.
I don't want to. I have a better idea.
Okay, here's your idea. Use one of these huge rocks.
Okay, next, our shell strike one. This one, there's one that shoots 3 at a time. I'm going to take both of the bullets out, except for one, because last time we realized that if it shoots 1, then it goes further than if it shoots 3. So, here it goes. Oh my god.
That was excellent.
Just imagine how far the Minecraft one's gonna go. It's not so hard.
Might go all the way to your neighbor's driveway.
I'm grabbing a huge rock, guys, so I can do the mark it. Get a huge rock. Right there. It's where it is marked. Super far. There, you can't even see it. Okay. Next one is going to be our Nerf Elite.
Elite, baby.
Strong Garm. Its name. Here we go. See how far I can hit. Not as far as our other one. That's interesting because this one was not good at distance. Okay. Next one is our X shot. This one was really good at how far it can do. Well, this one should be good at that because this one's really powerful. I don't know. Oh. Oh, wait. That's close. Hold on. I think that's very close. Oh, guys. That is so close. I think this bullet would have landed right where the rock was if this tree wasn't there. But this one didn't shoot as far as our 3 shooter. Let's really get the other gun. Okay. Our Zuru X shot at 3. Here we go. Oh my God! Did you see that? I know I might have seen it a little bit like. I think that first one. That first one that I did was really good, but I'm gonna move, or actually, yeah, I'm just gonna move one of these up instead of, because this is probably how far that first one would have went if I didn't like force it like further. So let me find that other one. No idea where it went. Where'd it go? Yeah, no idea. I'll just look for it later. Let me move the rock though. Move the rock. Okay. Now, have some of the big daddy guns. The big ones. Ooh, a Minecraft one, which is going to be really good at this than mosquitoes. Okay, here we go. Ooh, I think that is the farthest. Let me leave one in, and we'll try again. Yeah, that's the farthest right there.
The edge of the flower bed.
Let me go move the rock. And so this guy's moving the rock up. It's right here. It's pretty far. It's like, what is that? Like 40 feet, maybe?
I made a book.
Probably. Like 40 feet. Oh, you're perfectly in it.
Read it.
And as we know, our terrible gun. It did not shoot far at all.
Does it turn
But
that
that's
way?
really good ass.
Turn it this way.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Where'd it
because
go?
I righted it.
Didn't even go.
Oh, you worded it close to the base.
Yeah, this one's not bad.
That's okay.
Splat, Duck Hat, and Sticky Socks. Friday Splat
Look at
was
that.
going to his
I
friend's
think this
house.
gun might be the third to
And
worst
when
at
he
this
got to his
because it
friend's house,
sucks at this.
his friend said, "You have some
My
stinky
favorite.
socks."
Oh, guys, what I did is from the Phoenix, from this
And
one,
then
I took
he
this off
ran
and I tried it on
back
some other guns, and it did work on some other ones. Like that big
he
one,
could.
it worked. Made it look so
And-
cool.
Well, I know how to write that.
Okay, here we go.
And he
Our
got
Eli.
and chain socks. And then he ran
Ooh,
back.
that's far, but I don't know if it's far enough.
And they played and played and played. And then
Oh, that's
Splat
far
went
enough.
home.
That's far enough.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make another. I'm gonna make
That-
another book.
That
And
just dominated.
where he is I bet there's more.
Let me go get them. And move the rock.
There's more.
Well, actually,
I might
we
make
know this one won.
Oh,
because-
yeah, you might need more.
Yeah, because.
You can make a book at Grandma's
Where'd that other one
Wait,
go?
while
what?
they're watching that LSU game.
I swear, the green one's always been there.
Wait, how are they watching the LSU
Oh,
game?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I thought they said they were coming here to watch the LSU game.
Oh, is that what they're doing?
Yes.
I don't know, but Grandma said she'll see us tomorrow when we're watching the LSU game.
Yeah. You get the furthest. I'm missing a lot of bullets, but I'll look for them. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to click that subscribe button and like button to see more tests on Nerf guns. I'm probably going to ask for some, like, for Christmas, ask for some more attachment for these, and I can show you how sick they look with them. And, see you guys next time. Bye! Like and subscribe.